Yo, it's Ezekiel. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a beginner ab workout. This is a 10-minute ab workout routine that I've been using for years. I've used it with my clients. I've done it by myself. I'm going to be explaining each exercise for you and making sure you engage your core and get it that six-pack in no time. Without wasting too much time, let's get it, Matt, and let's get it. Too easy. Let's get it. For the first exercise, we want to lay on our back, and next we want to put our hands behind our head, and then we're just going to bring the head into a movement called crunch. The movement is just to bring your elbows inwards. You want to engage your core the whole time. Tighten your core as you go up. Let's see. Bring your body back to the mat. All right, that's it. We're going to start in 10 seconds. Alright, for the next movement, we're going to be in the same position, which means our knee is bent. And next, you can put your hands on the mat or on the floor. Then you're going to bring your knee to your chest and then lightly tap the ground. You can tap the ground with your heels, or you can tap the ground with your toes, whatever is comfortable for you. But just make sure you bring that knee up to your chest as much as you can to fully engage your core. Again, remember, we're working out our core right here, so that's the focus. Let's get it. Alright, for the next workout, we're going to be doing flutter kicks, which the best form for this exercise to bring your hands underneath your butt. You can not do this if you want, but next you're going to bring your legs up each one at a time. Again, the core is the goal, so make sure your core is fully engaged as you move your legs up and down. Try not to touch the ground if you can, and make sure your leg is straight. That's all. Let's get it. Alright, so for the next movement, this one's going to be slightly challenging. You want to make sure one leg is flat on the ground. This time it's going to be our right leg. Next, my left hand is going to be outside here, but I'm going to be using that hand as my stability. Next, I'm going to bring my hand, my right hand behind my head, and next I'm going to move my right elbow to my left knee. So the goal is to twist so that way we can work our obliques. Alright, and in each repetition. Alright, we're going to take a little break. We're going to be doing the same thing we did on our right side, on our left side this time. So, a refresher, left leg is straight, right leg is bent, right hand go outside, left hand go behind the head, come up lightly. And if you can't get up the floor, just move slightly. You don't have to go all the way up. All right, good work, good job. Next exercise is going to be much easier than the last one we just did, but we're going to be targeting our obliques still. Then we're going to first bend our knee. Next, we're going to make sure we're trying to touch our kneecap. Everybody range of motion in this movement is different, so listen to your body. Don't force anything. If that's as far as you can go, that's okay. Just make sure you engage your core throughout each movement. Good work. You're doing great. Next exercise is going to be ankle touches, but this range of motion for everybody is also different. So some people feel comfortable touching their calves or just going behind their legs, just kind of like touching their hamstrings. That's okay, as long as you're moving side to side. All right, that's the whole point of the movement, is to move side to side to work these obliques, the side abs. All right, so don't force anything. Just make sure you're engaging the right muscle group. And make sure you keep your core tight the whole time, okay? All right, good work. You're doing great. Next exercise, we're gonna bend the knees, and then we're going to extend our hands above our head, and then we're gonna slightly touch our knees. We're gonna go back to extending our arms, nice and easy. All right, that's it. Just make sure, again, you're keeping your core tight, and you're keeping your abs engaged the whole movement. All right, next we're going to be doing plank. We're going to be doing tall plank first. So you want to extend your body. Nice and easy. Make sure your core is engaged throughout the movement. All right. The most important part is to make sure that your core is what's working and not your arms. If that is a little too intense for you, you can do a bent knee version. That means you're on your knees and then you just hold yourself up. Good work. Now next exercise is going to be doing knee to elbows. So for this movement, you're going to get back to plank position. Then you're going to bring your right knee to your left elbow and vice versa. All right, take your time with this movement. Listen to your body, don't rush it. If you can touch your elbow, just try and turn as much as you can. As long as you feel like you're doing what you can, keep going. No worries at all. that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this workout. Please subscribe for more. I appreciate you for joining me to this workout. Come back and watch this as many times as you can. Let's go. Too easy. Let's get it.